With all hands on deck, South Korea is making all-out efforts to secure enough vaccines to keep up with its nationwide COVID-19 immunization schedule. A pan-government task force has been launched, and the plan is to inoculate as many South Koreans as possible in the April to June period as the nation, like the rest of the world, begins to see another resurgence of coronavirus cases. Hong Yu reports.
The COVID-19 vaccine developed by Pfizer and its German partner BioNTech showed 100% efficacy 2 weeks after its first jab, while that of AstraZeneca's 94.1%. That's according to South Korea's health authorities based on their data from their first quarter inoculations. However, they did note that the results aren't conclusive, as the Pfizer sample was much smaller and since vaccine efficacy rates could alter over time. In what may be worrisome development, the KDCA reported that a 76-year-old man died on Friday after having been inoculated with the Pfizer vaccine a day earlier. Authorities are currently looking into whether there is a link between the death and the vaccine. With the nationwide immunization campaign now open to the general public, starting with those aged 75 and older on Thursday, South Korea aims to vaccinate as many people as possible in the second quarter amid another surge in COVID-19 cases nationwide. The government announced on Friday that they expect the arrival of close to 7.7 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines in the April to June period. With that, the KDCA plans to start giving jabs to the special needs and the elderly caregivers, as well as flight attendants this month. Those in the 65 to 74 age bracket in May, and high school seniors and faculty by the end of June. Meanwhile, South Korea added 558 new cases of COVID-19 on Friday, marking the third straight day that the daily tally has been above 500, showing resurgence nationwide. Health authorities say they will not, however, raise social distancing measures right away, but observe the trend and maintain the restriction level for now. But they are ramping up quarantine guidelines on business. It's now a 2 strikes, 1 out system, where if a business violates quarantine rules more than twice or 2 different rules at once, the business will either be fined or shut down temporarily. Hong Yu, Arirang News.